The decor industry has changed, and Decograph is providing you new ways to grow your business with a digital printable wall decor solution. Digitally printed wallpaper has the ability to bring empty spaces to life, and that is just one of the benefits that we are going to discuss in this video. Before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Number 1, it's a real showstopper or eye-catching. Many consumers, especially those who has interest in interior design, don't like to settle for things off the rack. They prefer something unique and personalized. Digital printable wallpaper allows you to print your own design. Number 2, easy to install and change anytime if you want to. Digital printable wall decor is ideal for short runs and can be printed on demand. This means you can always print new concepts and can change wallpaper as often as you change your marketing campaigns for your business. Number 3, it's unique and memorable. Digital printable wallpaper allows for such a huge scope of creativity. You can create images that are totally unique for your business. You can design anything from simple illustrations to animated graphics or even 3D effect. Number 4, it can boost brand awareness. Digital printable wallpaper can be striking that it prompts you to take a photo of it and share it on social media and send it to your friends, and this would help boost the company's brand awareness. Number 5, it's durable and long-lasting. Whether you're using a paint or traditional wallpaper, there's always a risk of chips, marks, or stains, which will require fixing, meaning that you'll need to touch up at the regular intervals to keep your walls looking fresh. Not only it's time-consuming, but it's also ramped up to cost in the long run. Our digital printable wall decor can be used in any environment like residential or commercial spaces, schools, restaurants, hotels, retail shop, and more. And it also meets the highest safety standard, has environmental certification, and is fire-rated for commercial use and public spaces. We offer a variety of wallpaper material with different types of applications like peel and stick, self-adhesive wall decor, water-activated, and application with glue. So, whatever industry you're in, our digital printable wall decor would be perfect solution for your wall decoration or just to simply show off your brand to your customers. To know more about digital printable wall decor, visit our website at www.decograph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.